Hello friends, how are you? So today I came with new recipe and that is chicken dum kabab. So let's start with this delicious recipe, and now today I'm going to make this recipe in different method. So please watch this video till the end. To make tasty chicken dum kebab, firstly we have to make garam masala powder. So that's why I have put in these masalas to make garam masala powder. So you can see the ingredient on the screen, and now I am going to cook it for 2 minutes. Then it will hot, and then I will make powder of it. So here I also took one color, and that is red food color. I will put this color in chicken, so chicken will look very tasty and red. Masala is almost ready, so let's make paste. So here to make paste I put standing spices and papaya peel. So it is going to help us to make tasty chicken. And now I'm going to marinate the chicken. So firstly we have to put the chicken in the bowl, and then we have to put these ingredients in the chicken. First red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt, garam masala, papaya peel and oil. And then I will marinate it for 1 hour. Okay, and then it will really taste amazing. So I have put all the ingredient in the chicken. Now I am going to mix it well. So we have to mix this chicken mixture with the help of our hands, so it will mix properly. Now it is mixed, and I am going to add some oil on it, so it will look tasty and it will increase the taste of chicken. And now I am going to cook the chicken in kadhai. So here I took one kadhai and I have put in 2 tablespoons oil in it, and now I am going to fry chicken in this oil. This chicken is going to taste amazing. So here I am going to cook it 5 to 6 minutes, and then I will turn it, and then I will cook it from both of the sides. Okay guys? Now chicken is fried, and now I am going to cook it in them. Okay, so I will put the cap of this kadhai on it, and then I will cook it for 20 minutes. Well guys, 20 minutes is over and now our chicken is ready from one side and now I am going to cook it from another side. So I will turn this chicken into another side and then I will cook it for more 20 minutes. So 20 minutes is over and now chicken is cooked from both of the sides and it smells amazing and I want to eat it, but first I have to make video for you guys. And one more thing guys, we have forgotten one important thing. So what is this? This is we need to smoke the chicken by the help of coal. Okay, in last step I am going to smoke the chicken by the help of coal. Okay, so it will properly taste like chicken kabab. I will give smoke of the coal to chicken only for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, after this 3 to 4 minutes chicken will ready. So guys, chicken kebab is ready. So do you like my this video? If you like my this video, so don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. And also comment which recipe do you want to know in next video, and let's meet in next video. Bye bye.